All right, everybody, so I've just reconnected my battery. And now, the moment of truth. Yay! So I don't have anything, it's still, I can move this around. Nothing's screwed in. But we're just making sure that the unit is operational. I've routed my extra joystick and all that over to the side here. And let's just give it another go. Team Lotus. Looks great. Obviously I want to make sure all of my functions are still working over here. So yeah, everything seems to be working. And I think we are good to go now. We are good to get her set up. So now's your time. If you'd like, you can disconnect the battery, or I suppose you could leave it in and just connect everything and be careful.